And then here we are going to be working on the construction of an involute of a square, and the length of side of the square that we are going to use is 20, 20 is 20, is 20, is 20. So let's see how we can construct this square. So we need to make sure we activate auto mode. Then we select line. So to construct the square. So this is 20. Then we go off vertical 20. Then we go to this side horizontal 20. Then to this point. So just type C P on the keyboard. So that's it. All right. So we have constructed this square. So and then I'm going to label each point or number each point on the square. So here we come to text and we select single line. So the next thing that we are going to do is that we have to specify the point. Then the height of the number is 2. So just type 2. So enter. Then the angle of rotation is 0. Enter key. So we have this point. So I'm going to put 1 here. Then here we have what we have 2. So this is 3. So here is 4. Then I'm going to have another one. We have P1. So then P2. Then so we have P3. So P3. Then we have P4. So that's it. So then, so I'm going to, so I will escape this. So that's it. So next thing that I'm going to do is that I'm bringing this point 1 to this point. But before that, I need to deactivate this auto mode. So here we have point 1. Okay. So then, so here we have, so point 2. So here is point 2. And then, so here we have point 3. So let me put 3 down here. Okay. Then, here we have point 4. So here we have 4 here. All right, so I will deselect them. So we have all this. The next thing I'm going to do is to extend each of this line. So for this one, that will go to the right side. So the length is going to be equal to the perimeter of this square. Perimeter of this square is equal to 80. So by the time I extend it, okay, so it goes in this direction. Let me put on the auto mode. So it goes in this direction by a length of 80. So okay, so we have that. So then also this line, so I will take it down and stretch it by 20. So this is 20. Okay, so that's how it goes. Then this also I will stretch it so by 40. So it goes to this side by 40. Then so I will also stretch this. So it goes up. So it goes up by 60. All right, so we have all these points. So now, so I'm making use of this now. This is, so I need to put off the auto mode or deactivate it. So this is P4. So then I'm going to have, so this is P1. Then, so here is P2. Then we have P3 here. All right, so we deselect. So the next thing I'm going to use to do is to make use of the arc. So the same arc type of arc that we use then, center, start, end is what we are going to use. So this is the center, then starting from here, then it goes to this point 4 here. So from P1 to P4, so we have that. So then I'm going to select this again. Then this is now the center. Then from so let me go from here. So from here to here. So that's it. Then again, I will select the same type of arc. So here is center 3. So from P3, so it goes to P2. Then again, I will select the same type of arc. So then the center is 4. Then we go from P4 and it goes up to P3. So we have this. So that's it. So we have that. So I will. Then next thing I'm going to do is that I want to make the curve. I want it to be 1 because we have 4 arcs that we use to produce this involute. So I want it to be just 1 curve. So what I'm going to do is to type join on the keyboard and then enter. So then I'm asked to select the arcs that I want to join together or the lines that I want to join together. So I will select them one by one. Okay, there are 4. So then I will right click. So everything has become 1. So you just have it to be 1 here. Then I want to make it looking bolder. So I will come here on the line width and then I will select this particular one. Then change the color. So I change the color to my preferred color. I love this color. So just this is it. Then I will deselect it. So this is the involute of a square as you can see it here. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice. Thank you. Keep on practicing and God bless you.